Hi everyone, welcome back our L3 Toy channel. Today we will show you how to swap the camera on the Autel Evo 2. First, we need to take out the propellers and the battery. So remove the propellers. And remove the battery. Then the gimbal cover. After remove the propellers, gimbal cover and the battery. So now we have to unscrew on this cover, these two screws. This is using the CRT6. It's a TOS number T6. This is a T6 TOS CRV T6 number T6. So we need this to unscrew these two screws. So now we got the tools. So unscrew these two first. Here have two screws again, the screwdriver plus. We have to remove these two screws. After remove the screw, so take out this plate, the cover plate. These are the cover plate. So after remove the ribbon cable, the gimbal ribbon cable, so you just take out and slowly pull out like this. Okay. So this is the 8K gimbal camera. So now we need to install 6K camera with 1-inch image sensor. This is the Autel Evo 2 Pro camera. First, to install the gimbal, you can see here have two holes, and inside the drone here, and inside the drone here have a small two stick. So you have to plug in here. Okay. Reading after plugging, so everything you need to see is fixed or not. After we plug in the gimbal, so now we have to plug in the ribbon cable. You have to be careful to plug in this ribbon cable because it's very tiny, and it is very difficult to plug in because the ribbon cable, the pin is very tiny. So make sure you have correct the place. Then you can also use the rubber here to push it. We already plugged in the ribbon cable, so now install back the plate. You have to push this, let it match the hole, then install back the cover. So that's it. We done swap the camera from 8K to 6K. So now we have to turn on the drone. So after turn on the drone, I have to take the remote control, do the calibration, the gimbal calibration. Now this is a 6K gimbal camera display. So now we have to do the gimbal calibration. We go to setting and you can find the gimbal automatic calibration. So we enter and place the aircraft horizontally and keep it still. So start calibration. So already done the gimbal calibration. So now we have to plug into the phone, go to the Autel Explorer app. Let's see if that if they have any firmware to update. Okay, so now we're in the Autel Explorer app. Yes, and yes, they have the new firmware to upgrade. So upgrade now. Start uploading. Okay, so we already upgraded successful. So now we have to restart the remote control and the aircraft. Okay, now we are in the latest firmware, and now we just go in the camera. So this is the 6K with 1-inch camera view. Okay, so test the gimbal movement. Yes, it's moved correctly. Let's see the intelligent flight. Okay, the intelligent flight, it is also same with the 8K. So let's see the restoration. Yeah, so now we can record with 6K restoration with 330 FPS, highest frame rate in the 6K. So that's it. This is how to swap the camera in the Autel Evo 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and see you on the next video. Goodbye.